Hey, and welcome back to a new video. Today I want to show you how to add a drop shadow to any element in Figma. So this can be a vector like this, but can also be an image, a text, or literally anything. So first of all, please select the layer you want to add a drop shadow for, and then we go to the Effects tab, and here we can select Drop Shadow. If we want to customize it, we can go to the Effect Settings. And as you can see here, for once we can choose the position. So for example, the higher the Y here is, that means the further the drop shadow is away. We can talk or like change a little bit the blur of the shadow to make it either really, really hard or really, really soft. And obviously we can also change the position on the X. So from very, very high to very, very low. So in both of these would also work with the minus before to change the position. And then last but not least, also we can change the color of the drop shadow. And basically this is how you add your drop shadow in Figma. If you liked the video, just press thumbs up. If you have any questions, let me know, and we see you in the next video. Bye-bye.